Good morning, everyone. This weather is brought to you by Furniture for Less. Looks like a pretty complicated setup coming our way as far as the weather is concerned. Pretty quiet leading up to it, so if you have any traveling or shopping to do today and tomorrow, looks pretty good. About 34 today, a little bit of light snow or mixed precipitation in eastern South Dakota and western Minnesota, moving northeast where it should miss us to the south and the southeast. Tonight, tomorrow, mostly cloudy, lows in the mid-teens, highs in the mid-20s. Winds will be generally north to northeast, anywhere from around 5 to 16. But as we go into Christmas Eve, low pressure, which is now just making landfall, should approach. And as it does, we'll see areas of moisture increasing, some freezing drizzle, fog, maybe a little bit of light snow, but mostly freezing drizzle and fog, I think, Christmas Eve. That will slicken the roads up quite a bit. We're looking at lows to drop down to right around 20 to 25, so nearly steady temperatures, then rising. And Christmas Day, we're going to be around 32. Things are going to rapidly deteriorate once we get to late Christmas Eve into Christmas morning, but especially as you get into around the midday Christmas and afternoon on Christmas Day through Christmas night into Monday morning. If you must travel during the Christmas Eve period, try to get it done as soon as you can. Travel on Christmas Day, you probably should leave as early as you possibly can, because once you get to around midday Christmas Day and beyond, you're not going to want to be on the roadways. It doesn't necessarily mean that we're going to get a lot of snow, which will compound the problem, but icing conditions will make travel just ridiculously treacherous. A heaviest snow right now, given the current storm track, is likely to occur west, northwest, and north of the Fargo-Moorhead area, with lighter totals close to the Fargo-Moorhead area and more of an icing problem close to the Fargo-Moorhead area and south, east, and southeast. Even a dry slot could compound things south and southeast of the FM area, bring in little, if any, precip and sort of a deceptive, quiet period, but it's hard to say where exactly that will set up. Maybe even some thunder and lightning in the middle and eastern parts of Minnesota, a very dynamic system indeed. So again, as the computer models come out again later this morning, now that that system has made landfall, we'll be able to latch onto a better storm track idea. But right now, given current conditions, I think the FM area will miss out on the heaviest snow. Doesn't mean we won't get any, but we will have ice first and then snow on top of that. It will be very, very treacherous. Stay tuned as we get closer to this event for more details.